Hi folks, Kev Blokey here from my Hot Wheels collection. I'm here today to review the StackerTrack toy car storage system. Now what StackerTrack is, as I say, a toy car storage system comprising of these individual baskets, the likes of which you would have seen before in carry cases such as this, where inside you will find racks not dissimilar to these ones. So StackerTrack, which I've recently came across, is a system along those lines, but with the added bonus that each rack contains a ramp, and these ramps, when put correctly on top of each other, form a spiral downwards racetrack, helter-skelter track, call it what you will. So to look at one of the racks in detail, you can see there are 5 storage places for your toy cars, and next to which there is this ramp system here. Now this is just to emphasise for 1/64 scale cars, so your Matchbox, your Hot Wheels, your Johnny Lightnings, etc, etc. I came across StackerTrack after watching a Drive Tribe video. James May, British TV presenter, was going on about this in one of his videos, and I thought, oh, that requires further investigation, so I made a purchase from the eBay and received a set. You get 9 trays in a set, and these retail on eBay anyway for £9.99, £10 if you like, plus the usual standard postage rate. So yeah, it works out about £2 a tray or thereabouts, so not bad at all. And as you can hopefully see, each ramp, when correctly placed, basically makes sure the bottom of the ramp goes over the label of the ramp underneath. You can see it then forms a ramp system, which obviously you'd then place the next one under, so on and so forth. As far as I'm aware, when you buy 9 of these, they come in just the 3 colours, red, white and the blue. Patriotic enough. I did see, when I was looking online, there was a green version as well, but never seen that in the flesh. So red, white and blue does for me. I'm more than happy with that. I will just say at this point, guys, I have no relationship to the company which produces these, which is a British company called I'll post it, but I believe it's Geometrics or something like that. Yeah, no connection with the company, just well, quite pleased customer really. So let's have a look at the product in detail and see the good points and some, if you like, some of the negative points. So you take your 1/64 scale car, and you can see that it will fit. Oh God! It will fit in each of the 5 storage facilities. Now, although it is a Hot Wheels system, I will say now that not all Hot Wheels are going to fit all the baskets. For example, if you get a longer casting, such as this school bus, you can see straight away it ain't having it. Which is a good thing actually, because what I have found is if it doesn't fit the basket, it's not going to go down the ramp due to the tight curvatures of the track. For example, if I run this school bus down, it doesn't make it all the way down, and it gets trapped halfway down. Where's it going? It's hiding. Come out, come out. There you go. You can see at the bottom, it's cracked at the bottom. So yeah, I mean, as a general rule of thumb, if it doesn't fit in the if it doesn't fit into the racks, it's not going to work that well on the downwards track. Equally, it has to be said that if your casting is too high, for example this Rescue Ranger, again, you're going to run into difficulties, and lo and behold, somewhere down here, lo and behold, it went down alright that time. But obviously, the higher the casting, more likely it's going to interfere running down the track. So if your casting's too high, too long, and I guess too wide, it ain't going to have it. But then, you know, you kind of expect that. So let's just rebuild my tower, and you will see how easy these stack together. So put in the ramp so they each connect. As I said, easy to start from the bottom and work upwards. So make sure you cover the label with the bottom of the ramp from the story above. Keep it red, white and blue. On there. Obviously, if you was to make a mistake, you can see what would happen. It would just go straight down into this surface below, but not make it all the way out. Red. So I'm having a moment. Blue, that's it. And he goes there. And he goes there. So what we've got now is a 9-floor tower with the spirals going down. So obviously with 9 of these storing 5 cars, quick maths, that would store 45 cars. So yeah, I mean, this wouldn't necessarily be my first choice of a storage system. I prefer the Plano cases or the creative option thread organisers for storing mine, but you know, it's better than tripping them over them on the carpet, one supposes. So let's put some cars down. Let's say avoid anything too long or anything too high. So I've got a selection of 7 cars here, and we're not timing down, but we'll see how they get on. So first of all, you get your Veyron. So all you do, put it on the top of the track. I normally leave it with the back wheels hanging over, and then just give it a tap with my finger. Okay, what I'm going to do is spin it around so you can actually see the cars come out the bottom. So the cars will be exiting where I'm pointing now. It's quite thick carpet, so they may not have much of a runoff, but bear with us. No, that's not made it all the way down. This sometimes happens with the Veyron because it's quite wide, I suppose, if it bounces off the side. So let's take this stock car instead. Right, okay, this is, they're running down, but they're hitting the thickness of the mat. I haven't thought this through. Let me just get something to place underneath, and hopefully you'll see where I'm going with this. Bear with. Right, back again. I've put my car parking mat down, or my parking lot mat down. So let's try and run those cars again. So first of all, the Chiron, I think I may have called it a Veyron earlier, Chiron. There you go, that's running off a bit better. Next up, the stock car. Get the Chiron out of the way. So as you can see, it works rather well as a ramp system. Certainly would keep you entertained for hours on end if you're so inclined. This is 69 Chevy pickup. That run down well. Porsche Cayman. Yep, all running off well. Next up we have the Acura NSX. Yep, again another good runner. BMW Roadster. Good thing with this system is the height you can run this to is well, without limit really. I've certainly gone ahead and ordered another 3 sets, so that would give me what, 36 floors or stories or whatever. So yeah, that'd be quite cool. See how that pans out. Now this is the Hudson Hornet. Now when I've run this before, because of the length, it struggles to get down. Hopefully it will demonstrate what I mean if your car's too long. See how we get on. There we go. It's come down, but it's come down on its roof. Obviously it interferes on the way down. Let's try the school bus again. Again, a long model, so I'm not expecting too much success. And it hasn't even made it all the way down. But it did, it's come down on its side. And we tried the Rescue Ranger again, see if that manages to get down or not. Well, that struggled on the way down. It has made it down to the ground floor, but in what state on its side? So there we go. So yeah, as I said, although annoyingly that does fit in the rack. So, now some of these racks, because allowing for the cars to go underneath, have got that particular section there has got a curved end to it, so that may give you some restrictions, and certainly these two pieces are also curved. And I found, for example, just taking something like the stock car, if you put that in, that ain't coming out anytime soon, it will get wedged in there, so be aware of that. But I think for the price, my overall impressions for the price and for the fun factor, I think it's rather good. I quite like it. I say it is available on eBay. I will paste a link in the description for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and yeah, something different to look out for. Okay guys, so this is Kev Blokey saying ta, and catch you on the next one. See you later, bye.